Hi, Rich Hilsinger, host of the video series Mastering Skills with the WoodenBoat School, here at the WoodenBoat store on the campus of WoodenBoat Publications in Brooklyn, Maine. And I just wanted to take a moment just to share a couple ideas with you. Both the December and January episodes in Season 1 on Mastering Skills will feature Eric Dow and the complete step-by-step procedure of building and completing a full half model. So with the upcoming holiday season, I thought it might be a neat idea for folks out there to contemplate perhaps a subscription to the Mastering Skills with the WoodenBoat School video series. We just are finishing up Season 1, getting ready to present Season 2 in February. Another idea for you to consider is we have a wonderful collection of half model kits here at the WoodenBoat store. All the models you see in our store were built by Eric Dow. You can order plans for any of these 11 half models from our WoodenBoat store. Plans include full-size templates and lift patterns, a bit of history of the design, and instructions. That's at www.woodenboatstore.com, and the website for the Mastering Skills with the WoodenBoat School video series is www.woodenboatschool.org. Shouldn't be missed. Thanks.